Look at it, guys, girls, I love this. Check this out. Just check it out. Guys, girls, frozen lake. Beautiful divine beings that we all are. Absolutely amazing. Check this out. Ta-da! That is so cool. It's just like scooting along there, my friends. Check that a little bit bigger so you can see better, okay? Oh, so cool! It had a cool noise. Let me do it again a bit more. Let me do it again a bit more. Ready? That is so funky. I love it. Let's do it again. I just can't get enough of it. Ta-da! You like this one, my friends? It'll do the job, won't it? Can you hear that? That is just, I just can't get over this. Aha, yes, it is a flat one. That's cool. I made it to the other side. I made it to the other side. Yay. That's so cool. I love it. Oh my goodness. I just love life when I'm in nature. It's the best ever. Oh, my two favourite things in nature are my family. And I love the combination if we can get both at the same time, which we did yesterday. Went to the mountains. I'll show some pictures here. Up in nature yesterday. Did some sleighing on top of on a kind of mountainy type of road. It's beautiful. Hope you get out with your family and even by yourself. And lots of love to you, my friends. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. I hope you enjoyed. Take care now. Befriend me on Facebook below and Instagram and other things. Check me out below and let's connect and collaborate. Thanks.